السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم أستاذ نورة الصالح مهدي من ثانوية العميد للبنات، مجموعة العميد التعليمية العتبة العباسية المقدسة. Hello my students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Today we are going to have Unit 6, Lesson 6. Our subject for today is what are they going to be? Patient, peacock, Now my students, please open your students book on page 67. Read about Firas and Hala and answer these questions. What do they do in their spare time? Number 2, what are they going to be when they finish school? Now we will read about Firas. Firas is 17. His favorite school subjects are history, geography and art. He loves animals. Every Friday he goes to the zoo. He takes photographs of birds and animals. Sometimes he has to wait for a long time to take a good photograph, but he is very patient. His favorite animal is the peacock. Next year, he is going to take his last school exam. If he passes, he is going to go to university to study animals. He wants to be a zoologist. Thank you. Now, let's read about Hala. Hala is 18. Her favorite school subjects are biology and chemistry. She is also very good at English and physics. She is interested in helping people. She is very kind and friendly. Sometimes she visits a hospital. Some patients have no visitor. Hala takes flowers to these patients and sits and talks with them. At school, she works hard because she doesn't want to fail her final school exam. When she finishes school, she is going to be a doctor. Thank you. Now we will answer these questions. Number 1, what they do in their spare time? Every Friday he goes to the zoo. He takes photographs of birds and animals. Sometimes she visits a hospital. Number 2, what are they going to be when they finish school? Number 2, he wants to be a zoologist. When she leaves school, she is going to be a doctor. Thank you so much. Work with words. Number 1, look at this dictionary entry. Which meanings of patient can you find in the text? I can find Number 1, as a noun, patient as a noun, somebody who is taken care of by a doctor. And also I can find patient as an adjective, able to wait for a long time and stay calm without getting angry. She is very patient with young children, patiently. Number 2, what do you think take, pass, and fail an examination means? I will talk about this point in your evaluation. Thank you so much. Now we will talk about this rule. Be plus going to plus infinitive. Hala is going to work in a hospital. Hala is a subject. Is be going to and work, it is infinitive verb. In a hospital, it is a complement. We use this rule to talk about the future when you know for certain what is going to happen. So we use this rule when we want to talk about something in the future. And I am sure that will happen. Thank you so much. Going to, we use this rule, be plus going to plus infinitive verb, to talk about the future, as I mentioned before, when we know for certain what is going to happen. Now, these are examples. Hala is going to work in a hospital. This is the rule. I'm going to finish my homework. So, also, this is the rule. This is the rule. S means subject. B, is are, plus going to, plus infinitive verb. Thank you so much. Dear students, please open your activity book on page 85. As you can see, we will have lesson 6, exercise A. Write short answers to these questions about the first text on page 67 on your student's book. Now we will answer these questions. Number 1. What are Farah's favorite school subjects? History, geography, and art. Number 2. What is his hobby? What is his hobby? Taking photographs of birds and animals. Now, number 3. What do you know about his personality? He is very patient. Number 4. What is he going to be? A zoologist. A zoologist. Now we will have exercise B. Write short answers to these questions about the second text. What is Hala good at? Biology, chemistry, English, and physics. What is she interested in? Helping people. What do you know about Hala's personality? She is very kind and friendly. Number 4. Which patients does she take flowers to? Patients who have no visitors. And the last one, what is she going to be? A doctor. Thank you so much. My students, this is your evaluation. Exercise C. Complete these sentences about examinations. Use these words. We have 3 words in this box. Fail, take, pass. Now please try to do this exercise. Thank you so much. Number 1. At the end of each semester, I have to take an exam. Number 2. If I get bad marks, I will fail the exam. Number 3. If I get good marks, I will pass the exam. Thank you so much. Now this is your homework. What you are going to be when you finish your school? What are you going to be when you finish your school? Thank you. I hope that you have benefited from this lesson. Thank you for watching and good luck.